In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean WhatsApp chat button on your storefront so customers can reach you instantly, right from any page. Start in your Shopify admin for the store you want to update. From the left sidebar, open the Apps section. This is where you'll find and manage everything you install. In the Apps view, use the search field to start typing WhatsApp chat. As you type, Shopify will highlight and suggest relevant options so you can quickly jump into the right results. Select the WhatsApp chat option to open the Shopify App Store results page. Here, turn on the Built for Shopify filter. This narrows the list to apps that meet Shopify's latest performance and security standards and integrate smoothly with the theme editor. From the filtered results, choose SK, WhatsApp Chat button. It's a lightweight option that adds a floating WhatsApp button your customers can tap to start a conversation. Click Install to add it to your store. Shopify will show a permissions screen explaining what the app needs to function. Review that briefly, then click Install again to confirm. Once the app is added, you'll land back in your admin with the app ready to go. Click Activate App so Shopify can embed it in your theme. This step ensures the button can actually appear on your live storefront. Shopify will open the theme editor focused on the app embed. Click Save in the editor to publish the change to your current theme. Saving here is important. Without it, the embed won't load for visitors. In the theme editor's left panel, select WhatsApp button to view its section. This is where you can see how the embed is connected and confirm it's enabled. Many themes show a live preview on the right, so you can visually confirm where the button will sit on the page. A few quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the button after saving, make sure you're editing the correct theme that's set as live. Also check that the app embed toggle is turned on in the editor. Changes may take a moment to propagate, so a quick refresh or an incognito window can help you verify what your customers will see. The Built for Shopify tag you used earlier is a good sign you'll get reliable performance without slowing down your pages. That's it. You've added a WhatsApp chat button to Shopify, activated it, and saved it in your theme so it's ready for your shoppers.